Welcome back, viewers. I hope you all had a great weekend. This week we will be analyzing, as you can see on the screen, Euro USD, which is actually my favorite pair and also the most traded currency pair in the world. So here we're on the monthly chart, and as you can see, price has been declining. So for a while now, Euro USD has been in a constant downtrend. But a few months ago, we actually had a strong break above our 50 moving average, which is this blue line that you see on this chart, and also a break and close above this monthly downward trend line. So we can see that we are breaking into new highs. Well, we're not actually in new highs as yet, but we're pushing bullish towards the recent high, which is right here. So, as we always do, highlight our key areas on our time frame where we're looking for a price to react to. So, Euro USD is a pair that trends a lot, and I am a trend trader, so that's why I love Euro USD. So we're highlighting our key monthly areas. So after we highlight our key monthly areas, then we will move down to our weekly chart. We're not really seeing any key turning levels looking to our left right now, so we can take into consideration this low that has been formed on the weekly time frame, because price can potentially come back to this low and still maintain this upward trend. So that is the main level that I would take into consideration in my weekly time frame. Going down on the daily now, we can see that price is currently above the 50 moving average. That is an indication to me that Euro USD momentum is to the upside at this point in time. So we broke this high in this region here and made a new high. Then we came down and made a low right here, which is higher than this low. So we are potentially looking for price to go to make higher highs. So another level that we can take into consideration on the daily time frame is this level right here, where I can see price react to quite a number of times strongly. So we can see that this is a level of resistance right here that has been maintained in the past. So my bias on my daily time frame is bullish for Euro USD. On the 4-hour now, we can see that price is in a strong uptrend. So we can look for a recent trend line that has been maintained. Right there, I would put it right here, because we had a touch right here, a touch right here, a nice hold of the trend line right here before a nice rally. Here again we come and hold again before we break below. So this is a valid 4-hour trend line for me. So as we can see, price was trending upwards until we reach this daily high right here, around this daily high right here, and then sellers came into the market, and sellers took the market all the way below this previous level of support right here that was holding. So we also saw the momentum switch from bullish to bearish when we got a strong close below the 50 moving average right here. So I use my Fibonacci retracement tool mainly on the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame. So right here what I can see is if price should hold and continue going upwards from right here, we can possibly look for a go zone rejection up in this area where the moving average is and the previous level of support that can act as resistance in this area right here. So right now if we can retrace into this level and hold, I would look to take price back to this daily level right here, because on the daily time frame we can see that price has a strong downward momentum currently. So we can see price coming back to this daily level to retest or even this level right here. This level is a strong level of resistance, and we pull it over to the left. We can also see that in the past it acts as support also. So this is a strong daily level that possibly can see price holding in around these areas. So right here we have 1, 2 touch, 3 touch. Right in here we have some rejections also, break above. So we can possibly see price going up into this area, then retracing back to either this level or breaking below, retracing and coming to this level before we can expect price to go upwards again. So on my 4 hour, my main bias is bearish at the moment. I'm also bearish on my 1 hour, so I personally will probably wait until probably this gap fill, get a double bottom, and then price push up into this area before. Price can also break above this level of resistance, retest where I look to take price higher. So this is the end of this breakdown on EUR USD. I hope you all have a great trading week. Trade safe as usual, and please like, share these videos, and get your other Forex friends to subscribe to the channel so that they can see when I put out these educational content.